Hi, my name is Joanna Cahill, and I'm the owner of Healthy Home Cleaning based in Asheville, North Carolina. We specialize in green, non-toxic cleaning, and today I'm going to teach you how to remove that greasy buildup off the top of your stove. All right, so what we're going to need today is some lemon. You can either use fresh lemon or you can use the kind that comes in that little plastic bottle in the grocery store. Some vinegar, some baking soda, and if you want to use a commercial cleaner, Simple Green is an excellent degreaser, so that will get those grease stains right off. You can use that too. We're going to start by putting some baking soda on the areas that have grease on them. I know I cook a lot of bacon at my house, so I'm really familiar with bacon grease on my stove. Go ahead and add your lemon. And then just a little bit of vinegar. And then take your scrub brush and go ahead and scrub at those greasy areas. Might have to put a little muscle into it. Here, see, we've gotten rid of a couple of nice grease stains here. And when you're all done, satisfied with the grease removal, you're going to have a damp rag ready. You can go ahead and wipe up that residue. You want to make sure to get all of that baking soda residue off of your stove, or else that gritty stuff will still be there. This is Joanna Cahill with Healthy Home Cleaning, and I want to thank you for watching how to remove greasy buildup from your stovetop.